Everyone nowadays want to invest in cryptocurrencies. Yes, Bitcoin has given us good returns. However, when it is come to risk, there is more risk than stocks. So if you want to make more money, then you must also willing to take more risk. Matic is one of the popular investing opportunity. Hey fam, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are talking about Matic, also known as Polygon. In the next few minutes, we will going through these points. What is Polygon? What makes Polygon special? Polygon price prediction for 2021. Can Polygon reach $5 by 2021? The project was originally called as Matic Network, but as a scope of the project expanded, it was renamed Polygon. It was founded by these three Indians. Polygon, a non-memeable token, is currently trading at $1.35 and has a market capitalization of $13.64 billion, and it is placed 18th in the worldwide crypto market ranking. Polygon is a platform built on Ethereum blockchain, known as Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain. This is meant for developing decentralized apps. Well, Polygon was the simple layer 2 scaling solution of Ethereum. It is the first well structured, easy to use Ethereum scaling platform. Polygon is a solution of Ethereum's current key issues, including high fees, poor user experience, and slow transaction process. Polygon proved to be one of the top 20 most liquidity and largest cryptocurrencies by the market capitalization. Is one of the most creative projects aimed to improve blockchain connectivity and performance. Several key aspects as considered to be the platform popular and positive analytics outlook. Polygon is a suitable with the Ethereum blockchain, makes it helpful for Ethereum app developers and Solidity programmers. The security policy used by Polygon is optional. As a result, if great security is not required, there is no needed to lose flexibility. Always keep in mind that every investing and trading decisions has some level of risk. When making a decision, you should do your own research. Well, there are different price targets regarding Polygon future performance. Almost all of them are bullish. When predicting the Polygon coin future, it is important to remember that the competition for the first and the best compatibility solution is still ongoing. Polkadot and Cosmos targets Polygon's rivals are also rushing to launch their solutions. So far as this year, Polygon has been one of the most promising cryptocurrencies. The price of the Polygon's cryptocurrency has risen dramatically from the beginning of 2021, from $0.01 to all the time high of $2.68 on March 11th, a nearly 26.70% rise, and the token was seems to be performing well. But on May 19th, the crypto market crashed, pushing most currencies off to the bearish trend. One of them was Polygon, by dropping from $2.45 to $1.66. Following this incident, most cryptocurrency gradually recovered, and this was the point that Polygon got the market attention. Polygon price smashed a new breakpoint on May 24th, rising from $0.94 to $2.1, with the greatest recovery rate among all the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. When most cryptocurrencies just selling after the big price drop, this was estimated to be above 100% in just 24 hours. Polygon maintained and increased the momentum, and many traders feels Polygon as a bright future. Based on the current patterns, the Polygon price may trade at $5.80 before end of the year. Also, it may reach a price high of $6.25 if the trend continues and the bullish rise is even more. If it is failed to reach the users, it may sink to as low as $5.43. Here is some several platforms predicted the Polygon price based on their data. Many crypto analytics are very positive about the future potential of Polygon coin. Both fundamental and technical analysis shows good potential for the Polygon to hit $5 in 2021. So, if you are seeking long-term investment opportunity, the Polygon project is worth your attention. The way the crypto industry is performing right now, seems the value of stock will be reduced in upcoming times and people will invest their money in cryptocurrencies. As a result, the early we being investing will be the better. I hope you like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.